Imagine discovering that small adjustments to your diet can make all the difference in the health of your kidneys, one of the most crucial organs for the proper functioning of the body. Now, what I'm about to reveal might seem counterintuitive, but if you think you're taking good care of your kidneys just by drinking plenty of water, it's time to rethink your strategy. The truth is that, beyond hydration, the foods you consume daily play a vital role in maintaining kidney health. And I'm not talking about restrictive diets or cutting out all your pleasures at the table. On the contrary, the solution lies in adding a few key ingredients that, surprisingly, are already part of your routine or can be easily incorporated. The controversy arises when it's discovered that even common foods, often overlooked, like eggs, broccoli, and avocado oil, can be powerful allies in protecting and supporting your kidneys. And this isn't something most people know. It's almost like a well-kept secret that only a few have the privilege of discovering. So, if you really care about your health and want to ensure your kidneys are functioning as best as possible, stay with me, because what comes next might completely change your perspective on diet and kidney health. Eggs, a powerhouse for kidney health. Eggs, these small giants of nutrition, are often underestimated when it comes to kidney health. But for those who want to keep their kidneys running like a Swiss clock, incorporating eggs into the diet can be a surprisingly effective strategy. What many don't know is that eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein, which is essential for the regeneration and maintenance of body tissues, including the kidneys. Moreover, the antioxidant lutein, found in the yolks, acts as a natural defense, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress, one of the main causes of kidney disease. Many question the consumption of eggs due to their choline content, which in excess, could negatively impact health. However, balance is key. Consuming eggs in moderation not only provides high-quality protein but also a variety of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D and selenium, which support kidney function. Imagine starting your day with a nutritious omelet that not only satisfies your taste buds but also strengthens your kidney health. For those concerned about protein intake due to kidney health, it's important to remember that not all protein sources are created equal. Eggs stand out as a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes them a valuable food for those who need to care for their kidneys, especially for those already suffering from some kidney dysfunction and need to control protein intake more strictly. If you've never considered eggs as an ally in kidney health, it might be time to rethink. Incorporating them into your diet, whether for breakfast, lunch, or even snacks, can be a simple and effective step to keep your kidneys in top condition. And, of course, the versatility of eggs in cooking makes them a practical and easy choice to include in your daily routine without major changes. The next step is to look at other foods that, like eggs, offer significant benefits to the kidneys but may be even more surprising. What if I told you that a simple vegetable, which you probably already have in your fridge, could be a true friend to your kidneys? Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable for cleansing. Broccoli, this cruciferous vegetable that many turn their noses up at during childhood, proves to be a powerful ally when it comes to kidney health. Rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and a good dose of iron, broccoli is not just a side dish but a true guardian of kidney health. When we talk about kidney protection, broccoli stands out thanks to its high sulforaphane content, a compound that fights oxidative stress and inflammation, two mortal enemies of the kidneys. Think of how sulforaphane acts in the body like a janitor who cleans the toxins that could accumulate in the kidneys, leading to problems like kidney stones or even chronic kidney disease. By including broccoli regularly in your diet, you provide your body with a natural defense that works silently but extremely effectively. A practical tip: adding broccoli to your plate, whether for lunch or dinner, in salads or as a side dish, can be a simple gesture that ensures stronger kidney health over time. In addition to the direct benefits to the kidneys, broccoli also contributes to overall health, which, in turn, positively impacts kidney function. The presence of dietary fiber helps keep the digestive system in order, preventing the buildup of toxins in the body, which eases the burden on the kidneys. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, where every part works harmoniously. broccoli acts as that essential oil, ensuring that your kidneys don't have to work excessively to maintain internal balance. For those looking for simple ways to incorporate more broccoli into their diet, consider steaming it to preserve its essential nutrients. A small daily portion can make a big difference in protecting your kidneys. Additionally, try combining it with other vegetables or lean proteins for a balanced and flavorful meal. The important thing is to make broccoli a habit, not an exception. Now that we've discussed the power of a vegetable many underestimate, let's explore a less obvious but equally powerful ingredient that could be the key to keeping your kidneys functioning optimally. What if I told you that something as simple as the oil you use for cooking could have a direct impact on the health of your kidneys? Avocado oil, a healthy fat for kidney support. Avocado oil, often relegated to a supporting role in the kitchen, hides extraordinary potential for kidney health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocado oil stands out as one of the healthiest options for those seeking to protect their kidneys effectively. Unlike other saturated fats that can overload the body, the fats present in avocado oil act as allies, reducing levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and decreasing inflammation, crucial factors for maintaining good kidney health. Imagine your body as a machine where every gear needs to be well lubricated to function properly. Avocado oil does just that, ensuring that your kidneys don't have to work harder than necessary to filter the blood and maintain the body's balance. Additionally, avocado oil has a high concentration of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, preventing oxidative damage that can compromise kidney function. A simple switch from traditional cooking oil to avocado oil could be the first step towards a significant change in your health. Besides the direct benefits to the kidneys, avocado oil is also versatile in the kitchen, making it easy to incorporate into your daily diet. With a high smoke point, it's ideal for cooking at high temperatures without losing its nutritional properties. Whether grilling vegetables, preparing lean meats, or even using it as a base for a salad dressing, avocado oil offers flavor and health in every drop. And for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, how about trying avocado oil in a pesto recipe, replacing the traditional olive oil? A different touch that elevates the nutritional quality of the dish. Kidney health is often forgotten until a problem arises, but prevention is always the best strategy. Incorporating avocado oil into your daily diet is a simple and effective way to support your kidneys and your overall health. By making more conscious choices in your diet, you not only protect your kidneys but also improve your quality of life, ensuring that your body functions more harmoniously and efficiently. Now that we've explored the impact that a simple oil can have on your health, it's worth reflecting on the small but powerful changes you can make in your daily life to preserve and optimize kidney function. After all, kidney health is fundamental to overall well-being, and every dietary choice can make a significant difference. Now that you've discovered how simple dietary choices can profoundly impact the health of your kidneys, the question remains, what will you do with this knowledge? It's not enough just to know, you need to act. Incorporating eggs, broccoli, and avocado oil into your daily routine is a simple but powerful step to ensure that your kidneys continue to function well, preserving your health in the long term. Think about the benefits you can reap from these small changes and how they can prevent future complications. So, how about starting right now? How about preparing a meal that combines these ingredients and see for yourself the difference they can make? Believe me, your kidneys will thank you. And before you head to your kitchen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. That way, you'll continue learning more about how to take care of your health in a practical and accessible way. After all, your health is your greatest asset, and protecting it is a decision that starts today.